Welcome! I'd like to show you a really simple way of creating drone-like textures with the Moog Dfam patched into Mutable Instruments Clouds. The resulting sound responds to the performance on the Dfam. Then we'll bring in some additional modulation. The internal sequencer of the Dfam is running. You hear the VCA out, which is patched into clouds. At the moment it outputs the dry Dfam signal only. Like in my track example, I also patch a LFO into Dfam's filter decay in, to give the pattern some mild modulation. At this point you can blend in the wet cloud signal and start finding your sweet spot. Now we send some note information to clouds world per octave in. I am using the Metropolis, but everything is possible. If you don't have an additional sequencer or keyboard, it can be a good idea to experiment with the VCA CV outputs of the Dfam itself. Freeze-in of clouds allows you to trigger when the audio buffer of clouds freezes and holds. I'm just simply patching in the clock. Depending on the parameters like sample size or position, this will lead to a more or less rhythmic sound in sync with the Dfam. Another nice way to manipulate the drone manually can be an envelope follower, paired with your choice of controller. I'm using Mutable Instruments Ears, which is basically a contact microphone with additional gate and envelope follower outputs. It is controlled by the sound created by tapping or scratching its surface. Patching the envelope follower into cloud's position in, for example, allows us to shift the sample position. Here it creates a very nice bass drop-like effect, causing the resonances to re-trigger and build up again. drone, meaning the wet clouds signal. The effect of the rhythmic freeze is more obviously now. And that's it for now. In my opinion, clouds can be a very nice companion to the DFAM if you want to create textures or basslines responding to your performance. Quick and easy with a wide range of possibilities and quite affordable since there's a lot of do-it-yourself kits or already assembled clones of clouds on the market. And there's a lot more interesting effects clouds can add to the DFAM, especially with the open source firmware parasites with modes like resonator, reverb or looping delay. Thanks for your attention.